Assalamu alaikum boys and girls, how are you today? We're doing verbal comprehension today. Do you remember Hania's Rosie? Good. So I'd like you to look at the board please. Okay, number 1. Who is writing the diary? Who do you think is writing the diary? डायरी लिख कौन रहा है बताइए. Very good. गुलाबो, Rosie. गुलाबो को हमने क्या कहा था? Rosie. Rosie is writing the diary. रोज़ी कौन है? उसकी सहेली है, उसकी बहन है, कौन है? Who is Rosie? बताएं. Very good. उसके घर में जो उसका गुलाब का पौधा है. Very good. उसने अपने गुलाब के पौधे को क्या कहा? रोज़ी कहती है ना उसे. So डायरी कौन लिख रहा है बताओ? One at a time. Very good. The rose plant of Hania is writing the diary. पहले आप ये बताएं मुझे कि गुलाब का जो पौधा होता है वो क्या लिख सकता है? नहीं. So ये एक ऐसी फिक्शनल है. Very good. मनगढ़ंत. Yes. Imaginative. इसको मनगढ़ंत भी नहीं, इमेजिनेशन. ये जो हम दिमाग में सोचते हैं चीज़ें, इससे हमारी क्रिएटिविटी में इजाफा होता है. सो ये भी एक अच्छी क्रिएटिविटी है कि वो जो प्लांट है उसने क्या कहा. हम लोग तो सिर्फ बातें लोगों की सुनते हैं, है ना. हमें जानवरों की अब नहीं समझ में आती बातें, मगर ये जो प्लांट ने अपने को ऐसा बनाया जैसे कि वो इंसान हो, like a person. The rose plant pretended to be like a person and write the diary. Good. Well done. Number 2. Why did Hania have tears in her eyes? आप बताएं. हानिया रो क्यों रही थी? गुलाब के फूल खिला नहीं था इसलिए रो रही थी. क्यों? Very good. Good. अब इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? छोटी बहन बीमार थी तो रो रही है. Her younger sister. What was the name of the sister? Hania and Sania. Very good. So Sania was ill. अब हमारे यहाँ भी अगर आपके छोटे बहन भाई बीमार हो जाते हैं तो हम भी परेशान हो जाते हैं ना. अल्लाह क्या हो गया? क्यों रो रहा है भाई? क्यों रो रही है बहन? है ना. So फिक्र तो पड़ती है. Good. So number 3. Number 3. Why did Hania feel Rosie needed a doctor? अब हानिया कितनी मासूम सी है ना. इनोसेंट. मासूम, इनोसेंट. कितनी मासूम, इनोसेंट है. What does she think? Good. Try saying it again. Very good. She was very innocent. She thought the plant needed a doctor. Why? Very good. उसने देखा कि मेरा फूल आज खिला नहीं, खूबसूरत नहीं है. क्यों नहीं खिला था? क्यों नहीं खूबसूरत था? इतनी जल्दी में what happened? Very good. हानिया सोती रह गई थी, तो what did the Rosies think? What's wrong? Why is Hania still sleeping? Very good. So what was wrong? Her younger sister was ill and Hania forgot to water the plant. Then what happened? Then she gave some water from the jug. Very good. But what was happening? The plant was still, plant ने पानी जो दिया था हानिया ने पिया था? The flower, no. So what was wrong? It wasn't looking beautiful. Good. Now, number 4. Why was Hania calling hospital after every hour? हर घंटे के बाद हानिया क्यों फ़ोन कर रही थी हॉस्पिटल? Why? Why? Very good. Mummy was upset. She took the baby sister to the hospital. What happened to Hania? She came back in the room and she was crying. Yes. So she was phoning to find out how her sister was feeling. Very good. Number 5. How did Hania and Rosie feel in the end, and why? Very good. Very good. At the end, they both felt very happy. Why? Good. Because what happened at 5 o'clock? Something happened. क्या हुआ था 5 बजे? Yes. जब उसने फ़ोन किया तो मामा ने कहा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, your sister is very good now. Alhamdulillah, much better. Good. And what did Hania say to Rosie? Very good. Because Hania was happy, Rosie became happy. और वो जो ज़रा सा फिर से कहें? Very good. Because Hania was happy, Rosie became happy. And the water Hania had given Rosie, she drank it and put it all in her and became a beautiful glowing flower. कौन सा? गुलाब का. पूरे उसके petals wide open, and she was very, very happy to see Hania happy. Good. Well done. Okay. Now, we have done this verbally. What I want you to do is look at the video again and again to help you. And then what you do, you write them and put them into your copy. Write them down, send it to your teacher. Okay? Allah Hafiz.